Ever wondered how to tackle the challenges of YouTube automation when you're just starting out? It can seem like a daunting task, but fear not. For today, we're going to demystify this process and give you the tools you need to succeed. To begin with, it's crucial to understand what YouTube automation is. It's the process of using software or tools to manage and grow a YouTube channel without manual intervention. This encompasses everything from video uploads to scheduling, to comment moderation, and more. The first step in YouTube automation is selecting the right tool. There are many on the market, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some popular choices include TubeBuddy, VidIQ, and Hootsuite. These tools can help with keyword research, SEO optimization, scheduling, and analytics, among other things. The key is to choose a tool that fits your needs and budget. The second step is getting to know your tool. Spend time exploring its features and functionalities. Watch tutorials, read user guides, and don't be afraid to experiment. Remember, the goal is to get comfortable with the tool, so don't rush this process. The third step is setting up automation. This will depend on the tool you've chosen, but generally, you'll want to automate tasks like video uploads, scheduling, and comment moderation. For uploads and scheduling, you'll want to create a content calendar and upload your videos in batches. For comment moderation, you might want to set up filters to block spam and inappropriate comments. The fourth step is monitoring and adjusting. YouTube automation isn't a set-it-and-forget-it thing. You'll need to regularly check in on your channel and make adjustments as needed. This could mean tweaking your upload schedule, adjusting your keyword strategy, or changing your comment filters. And finally, the fifth step is continuous learning. YouTube is always evolving, and so should your automation strategy. Stay updated on the latest trends, features, and best practices. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and keep your channel growing. To summarize, the key points about YouTube automation for beginners are: 1. Select the right tool. This could be TubeBuddy, VidIQ, or Hootsuite, among others. The important thing is that it fits your needs and budget. 1. Get to know your tool. Spend time exploring its features and functionalities. Don't rush this process. 1. Set up automation. Automate tasks like video uploads, scheduling, and comment moderation. This will depend on the tool you've chosen. 1. Monitor and adjust. Regularly check in on your channel and make adjustments as needed. 1. Continuous learning. Stay updated on the latest trends, features, and best practices. Remember, YouTube automation is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. It requires time, effort, and patience. But with the right approach, it can help you grow your channel and achieve your YouTube goals. Happy automating!